Upgrade your maintenance strategy with Cryotos' newest release, built to make every task simpler and quicker. Dashboard work in progress summary charts provides you the information of pending tasks, which helps to identify and track the maintenance person and the technicians whether the task were completed on time. This work in progress summary consists of the table view format as well as the graphical format. This graphical format includes horizontal dashboards, bar charts, and a downward chart. So in the particular charts, if you select that count, it will route you to the page where you can see the request details, the location information, and the other particular informations. This particular information gives you the exact detail of the pending task and what is the problem, and it will help us to analyze the breakdowns and complete the breakdowns on time. Thank you.